In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall mail in Zoho Mail. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. Then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. You'll land on your main inbox view where you can see all your folders like Inbox, Drafts and Sent. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. Next, let's quickly walk through sending an email, since the recall feature applies to messages you've already sent. At the top or side of the screen, look for the option to create a new message. Click on the button to compose a new mail. This will open the compose window, usually on the right or in the center, depending on your layout settings. Now, type in your email as you normally would. Enter the recipient's email address, add a clear subject line, and then write your message in the body area. You can format your text, attach files, or add links if needed. Before you move on, it's a good idea to quickly proofread your message and double check the recipient, since that reduces the chances that you'll need to recall it later. Once you're ready, click on send. The email will be sent and then automatically move to your sent folder. Give it a moment to process, especially if your connection is a bit slow. To start the recall process, go to the sent folder. You can find it in the folder list on the left-hand side of Zoho Mail. Click on sent, and you'll see a list of all the messages you've recently sent from this account. Find the email you want to recall. When you hover over or select that email, look for a small check or options icon next to it. Click on that small check to open up additional options related to that specific message. Among the options that appear, you should see one labeled Recall this email. Click on Recall this email to attempt to pull the message back from the recipient's inbox. Keep in mind that Zoho Mail requires an upgraded plan to actually use the recall feature. If you're on a free or basic plan, Zoho will prompt you to upgrade before you can complete the recall. Without that upgrade, the recall won't go through, so